Hello everybody, this is Homeless in the UK. This time I want to show you something different. I recorded this video about 3-4 years ago. It's about one beautiful day when we finally decided to go with David and his boat on a boat trip to the Seal Point. David is my friend, he's a painter, he paints the pictures of the sea, of the coastline, and I have to say we've been thinking about it for a long time, and he's got a small boat and his 15 horsepower outboard engine. This Seal Point in Blakeney is one of the biggest points in a whole Britain. They have about 4,000 of new babies each year. We went from the Blakeney harbor. You know, you have to be careful because when there is a low tide, the harbor is without water. So all the boats in a Blakeney at the low tide, they are on a seabed. So you wait for the high tide, and then you go through the canal and through the delta. And then on the end, there is a strip from the shingle. There is hundreds and thousands of seals. It is so beautiful. We had just a small boat with a small engine, so we had to be, we couldn't spend much time there because the trip there to the point takes time, and then, you know, you can't spend much time there. When you go there, you have to be careful with the time because it takes some time to get there, and then you have a limited time to spend there, and then you also have to go back. If you're gonna be slow, you can get stuck. You will have to wait another 12 hours for the high tide, which we didn't get stuck, but we almost been like you know, with a propeller, we've been cutting those plants. On the way back, we have touched the sea bottom. You have to be careful, you know, and check the timing.
We've had a lot of rain. I've got most of it out. I was here with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. I've gotta be out their way.